In this video, I'll talk about and experiment wettability determination using contact angle. The first thing that we have to know is, what is wettability? Wettability is the tendency of one fluid to spread on or adhere to a solid surface in the presence of other immiscible fluids. Wettability is crucial in petroleum engineering because it affects fluid flow, oil recovery, enhanced oil recovery techniques, and reservoir characterization. Understanding and controlling wettability allows engineers to optimize production processes, increase recovery rates, and make informed decisions for efficient operations in the petroleum industry. The contact angle method is a technique used to study the wettability of solid surfaces. It measures the angle formed between a liquid droplet and the solid surface, providing insights into how the liquid spreads or beads up. It is widely used in various fields to understand surface interactions and optimize surface properties. In contact angle method, we always measure the angle in dense phase, which is most of the times water. This point will be explained later. If the angle measured is less than 90, then it's water wet. If the angle measured is greater than 90, then it's oil wet. And now let's start with our experiment. Firstly, we need to measure the lab's temperature and pressure. The experiment will be split into two parts. Part 1, testing a core wettability in water. Part 2, testing a core wettability in toluene. To do this experiment, we need a stand with a clamp, oil and toluene, a container, a special syringe and a normal syringe, a core to work with, a small beaker. Part 1, testing a core wettability in water. Firstly, we saturated the core using the liquid saturation method. Then we added water to the container. Then we attached the saturated core to the clamp and lowered a quarter of it in the water container. We added oil to the special syringe, as you can see in the video. After that, a drop of oil was placed under the core. And as you can see in the picture, we took the angle of the denser fluid, which is water. And the angle here is less than 90, so it's water wet. Part 2, testing a core wettability in toluene. Firstly, we filled the beaker with toluene and added the saturated core to it. The core here is saturated with toluene. Then we filled the normal syringe with water. After that, a drop of water was placed on top of the core. And as you can see in the picture, we can now take the contact angle for it. We took the angle of the denser fluid, which is water, and the angle here is greater than 90, so it's oil wet.